Timeless, thrilling, unmatched. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 continues to set the gold standard for driver-focused performance and engineering excellence. What makes this car the ultimate driving experience for enthusiasts? In today's video, we'll explore why the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is a perfect driver's car. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. A roaring symphony, the engine. What makes a car feel alive? It's the engine. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 features a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that feels like a living, breathing beast. This engine delivers a thrilling driving experience, revving up to an astonishing 9,000 revolutions per minute. Producing 502 horsepower, it doesn't just propel the car forward. It creates a powerful connection between driver and machine. Every press of the accelerator feels electrifying, sending a jolt of excitement through your veins. The engine's responsiveness is unmatched, giving you a burst of speed every time you demand it. Whether you choose the lightning-quick PDK automatic transmission or the classic 6-speed manual for ultimate control, every shift feels smooth and exhilarating. The sound of the engine, too, is pure music, a deep growl at low speeds and a spine-tingling roar as it approaches the redline. Chassis and aerodynamics. Ever wondered what makes a car handle like it's glued to the road? It's the precision engineering of its chassis and aerodynamics. The 911 GT3 uses the double wishbone front suspension inspired by Porsche's race cars, making cornering sharp and predictable. The car's aerodynamic features are just as impressive. The swan-neck rear wing doesn't just look aggressive. It creates serious downforce, improving grip at high speeds. The front splitter works in harmony with the underbody design, channeling air to keep the car stable even when pushing it to its limits. Even the smallest details, like the design of the side skirts and rear diffuser, have been fine-tuned to enhance performance. Driving this car, you'll feel like every turn and straightaway is perfectly within your control, no matter how fast you're going. Why such package? Is less truly more? When it comes to weight, it absolutely is. The Wasatch package available for the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 focuses on shedding every unnecessary ounce. Carbon fiber is used extensively in areas like the anti-roll bars, roof, and even the rear wing. This not only reduces weight but also lowers the car's center of gravity, improving handling. The magnesium wheels take it a step further, making the car feel incredibly light and nimble. This lightweight approach doesn't sacrifice comfort. Despite its focus on performance, the car maintains a luxurious interior with supportive bucket seats and premium materials. It's proof that a car can be both fast and refined. Driver-centric cockpit. Can the inside of a car feel as thrilling as its performance? With the 911 GT3, the answer is a resounding yes. The cockpit is designed for one purpose: to put the driver in total control. The tachometer is front and center, making it easy to monitor the engine's performance. The minimalist design ensures there are no distractions, with every button and control placed exactly where it should be. Premium materials like leather and aluminum give the cabin a luxurious feel, while the Racetex accents add a sporty touch. One of the standout features is the rotary key ignition, a nod to Porsche's racing heritage. In an era of push-button starts, it's a detail that keeps the driving experience authentic. Dual personalities, GT3 and GT3 Touring. Can one car serve two different purposes? The 911 GT3 achieves this with its two distinct versions. The standard GT3 is built for the track. With its bold wing and aggressive styling, it commands attention while delivering maximum performance. The GT3 Touring, on the other hand, offers a more understated approach. It replaces the fixed wing with a pop-up spoiler, giving it a sleeker look while maintaining the same incredible performance. Both versions offer the same heart-pounding engine and sharp handling, making it a tough choice for buyers. Whether you want a car that turns heads on the road or one that blends in while still dominating the track, the 911 GT3 has you covered. Heart-stopping acceleration. What's the secret to lightning-fast acceleration? It's a combination of raw power and precision engineering. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds with the PDK transmission. The manual version is only slightly slower, reaching the same speed in 3.7 seconds. This level of performance is exhilarating. whether you're launching off the line or overtaking on the highway. But the real thrill isn't just the numbers. It's how the car feels when it accelerates. The surge of power is smooth yet explosive, pushing you back into your seat with every press of the pedal. It's a sensation that leaves you wanting more every time. The combination of instant response and precise throttle control ensures the car feels alive and responsive. You're not just driving, you're experiencing a finely tuned masterpiece that reacts to your every command. With the GT3, every acceleration becomes a moment of pure, unfiltered adrenaline. Intuitive handling. Have you ever felt completely in sync with a car? That's the magic of the 911 GT3's handling. Porsche's engineers have spent countless hours perfecting the suspension and steering to make the car feel alive in your hands. The double wishbone front suspension provides incredible stability and precision, making even the sharpest turns feel effortless. The rear-wheel steering system further enhances agility, allowing the car to corner with remarkable ease. Even at high speeds, the car remains predictable and composed. The electronic aids are subtle, stepping in only when necessary to help you maintain control. It's a car that makes you feel confident no matter how hard you push it. Designed to thrill. Can a car's design make your heart race before you even start the engine? The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3's bold and aggressive styling does just that. Every detail, from the wide stance to the sculpted hood, is designed to evoke emotion. The large rear wing isn't just functional, it's a statement of intent. The car's low aerodynamic profile looks ready to conquer the track even when standing still. The design isn't just about looks though. Every curve and angle has been optimized for performance, reducing drag and increasing downforce. The headlights have a piercing, focused look that hints at the car's performance capabilities. It's a design that makes you feel proud every time you walk up to the car, knowing it looks as fast as it drives. The soundtrack of speed. What's a great performance car without a signature sound? The 911 GT3 delivers an unforgettable soundtrack, thanks to its naturally aspirated flat-six engine. As you rev the engine, the sound builds from a deep growl to a high-pitched wail that's pure music to the ears of any car enthusiast. The carefully tuned exhaust system enhances this experience, ensuring that every drive feels like a concert of speed and power. Inside the cabin, the sound is just loud enough to keep you engaged without being overwhelming. It's the perfect balance, adding another layer of excitement to the driving experience. The exhaust note changes dynamically, adapting to how aggressively you're driving. Whether you're cruising or pushing the limits, the sound is always engaging and inspiring. It's not just a noise, it's an emotional connection, a reminder of the engineering brilliance under the hood. The legacy continues. Why does the Porsche 911 GT3 remain a favorite among car enthusiasts? It's the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every generation builds on the strengths of its predecessor, incorporating the latest technology while staying true to Porsche's core principles. The 2025 model is no different. It's a car that respects its heritage while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From the engine to the design, every aspect of the 911 GT3 is a testament to Porsche's commitment to excellence. It's a car that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them time and time again. So, what's your favorite feature of the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3? Is it the naturally aspirated engine, the race-inspired aerodynamics, or its seamless connection between car and driver? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and automotive inspiration. Thanks for watching, stay passionate, stay precise, and let's celebrate the art of driving together.